Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today we're going to take a look at the Model 3's interior door buttons. See, it's a great functionality that Tesla's brought to us with the door button. Press the button, door opens. Unfortunately, the problem with that button is each time you get a new passenger in the car, they have no idea what to do with it. So a company by the name of Tesla Bros has come up with a solution for us. It's $6. 4 little tiny vinyl labels, and we'll get rid of that problem right away. So come along with me, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, now before we get started, I do want to dispel a myth for us that pulling the so-called emergency handle is a mistake. Now that's one thing I want to clarify right away. Let's not call it an emergency release. Let's call it a manual release. So that's right in here. So I just pulled that. My door is open. There you go. Nothing bad has happened. You can even see here if I pan the camera. As we pan the camera up here, you'll notice, and you heard it as well, the window did drop that inch or so down that it normally does. So why all the concern over pulling the manual release? Well, the thing is, when the Model 3 first came out, pulling this manual release here did not drop the window the inch that it does now. And that would lead to potential breaks for the window. The chrome trim surrounding the exterior of the car was very likely to become scratched, and it was just not a good practice. In fact, Tesla has decided to leave the warning on the screen that comes up when you pull the manual release. So let's go ahead and do it again. We'll show you the warning on the screen. All right, so then you might be wondering, why am I even bothering with the video? Why am I showing you a solution? There isn't a problem anymore. That's a good question, so let me go ahead and answer it. There is not a technical issue anymore. It's more of a convenience issue now. So each passenger that gets into my car actually looks at the door and they have no idea how to get out. Obviously here we're on the driver's door. You have this button. It's got a little light, or a little line on it, I should say, just like the window switches, but to the general person just getting in the car, they have no idea what that means. So what Tesla Bros has done is they've come up with a vinyl solution, just puts a nice little picture of a car with an open door on it. It makes it real obvious what's going on. It's not tacky, it's really simple. And we're gonna go ahead and install that now. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just wipe down the area. All right, now, all right, so here's our simple solution. You can kind of see it at that angle there. Just 4 little pictures of cars. Now we're going to break away the first one. So let me hold it up for you. There you go. There's that little picture of a car. And we're going to go ahead and put this in place. Now the nice thing about this transfer tape is you can kind of tack it down. So just give it a little tap, it'll hold it in place. Make sure you're happy, and once you are, in this case I am happy, we're gonna go ahead and take a credit card. Your Tesla Model 3 key will work great in this case. And we're just gonna rub it down. All right, so you can see it already looks great. Now the clear transfer tape is still on it. So we'll let that sit for a moment and then we will peel it back and we'll be all set. All you have to do from here is repeat the process 3 more times for the other 3 doors and you are all set. All right, so I started to kind of peel up the bottom right corner and try to do this so that you can see what's going on there on the screen. But I'm just kind of rolling it up. You can see that I've got this clear label here, the transfer tape on top. Rolling that up pretty slowly. And that's it, we're all set. So there's my label. And again, that's it. No more mistakes when people get in the car. Let's go ahead and zoom in and take a look. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. Nice short, sweet video for you. Hopefully we've dispelled a myth that pulling the manual release is not bad. But of course, the preferred method that Tesla intended is to press the button. let's make sure we let our passengers know what that button does, and you won't have to tell anyone how to get out of the car again. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one, everyone.